Guys, you can see this is a carburetor escape. Use the router to make a wood design. Alright, I used this frame. Wow, that's great.